Which self-propelled vacuum cleaner is actually good? Simple question, but you have to do a bit of digging to get the answer. Today, we're doing exactly that. Product number 1, Shark ZU561 Navigator. The Shark ZU561 Navigator liftaway speed caught my eye with its vibrant red peony color and a price tag of $199.99. If you want a powerful vacuum that tackles pet hair and allergens, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It features a self-cleaning brush roll, which means no more hair wrap, a lifesaver if you have pets. The 2.8-liter dust cup holds plenty, so you won't be constantly emptying it mid-clean. Plus, the HEPA filter traps over 99.9% of dust and allergens, great for anyone with allergies or pets. With a 4.5-star rating from nearly 10,000 reviews, people are loving it. Now, some folks mention that it can be a bit heavy in lift-away mode. This is perfect for you if you have pets or kids and want a reliable, efficient cleaner. Skip this one if you need something ultra-lightweight for just quick cleanups. At this price, it offers solid value for everything it brings to the table. Now, if that weight concern bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Shark AZ2002 Vertex. Next up is the Shark AZ2002 Vertex, priced at $299.99. This one grabbed my attention with its sleek design and promises of powerful suction. If you're all about deep cleaning carpets and floors without the hassle, this might just be your solution. The Vertex boasts Duo Clean power fins, which means it can dig deeper into carpets while still engaging floors effectively. The powered lift-away feature allows you to easily detach the pod to clean above-floor areas, which is super convenient. With an impressive 11 amps of power, it can handle even the toughest messes. Plus, the self-cleaning brush roll really helps when it comes to maintaining pet hair without the wrap. It's got a strong 4.4-star rating from 7,000 reviews, proving its popularity. Now, some users mention that it can be a bit loud compared to other vacuums. But honestly, for the performance it delivers, I think the noise is a small price to pay for such powerful cleaning. This is perfect for you if you have multiple flooring types and need something that can handle it all. Skip this one if noise is a major concern for you. For the features it offers, it's a solid investment. Alright, that was a powerful option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those of you looking for something lightweight. Product number 3, Oreck Commercial XL. The Oreck Commercial XL is next, priced at just $189. This vacuum caught my eye because of its lightweight design and commercial-grade power. If you're looking for something easy to move around but still powerful, this is worth checking out. At only 9 pounds, it's super easy to carry from room to room, and it handles deep cleaning with its high-speed brush roll, making it perfect for carpets and hard floors alike. The automatic height adjustment ensures it works effectively on various surfaces, while the generous 9-quart capacity means less frequent bag changes. It's got a solid 4.3-star rating from over 17,000 reviews, which speaks volumes about its reliability. However, some users have noted that it's a bit basic in features compared to more modern vacuums. But here's the thing. If you're after simplicity and powerful suction, that might not be a deal-breaker for you. This is perfect for you if you want a no-frills, lightweight vacuum for home or commercial use. Skip this one if you're looking for advanced features like HEPA filtration. For its price and performance, it's a fantastic option. Now, if you're more into bagless designs, the next vacuum might catch your attention. Product number 4, Hoover MaxLife Pro. Next, we have the Hoover MaxLife Pro Pet Swivel, priced at $194.99. This vacuum stands out for its pet-friendly features and affordability. If you want something that tackles allergens and pet hair effectively, this one's definitely worth a look. It utilizes wind tunnel technology for powerful suction that lifts embedded dirt, which is fantastic for homes with pets. Plus, it has a 13-foot reach for cleaning stairs and high areas, which is really handy. With a 4.1-star rating from over 10,500 reviews, it shows it's a popular choice. Now, there are complaints about the cord being a bit short for larger homes. But honestly, the features it packs make up for this, especially if you don't mind moving it around a bit. This is perfect for you if you have pets and need something that keeps your home fresh and clean. Skip this one if you have a very large home and prefer longer cords. For the price, it delivers strong value. Alright, if you're after something even more compact, let's check out the last product on our list. Product number 5, Shark PowerDetect. Lastly, we have the Shark PowerDetect Ultralight Corded Stick Vacuum, priced at $229. This vacuum piqued my interest with its innovative technology and light design. If you're looking for easy maneuverability without sacrificing power, you should definitely consider this. It features Duo Clean technology and automatically adjusts based on the type of floor you're on, making it super versatile. Plus, it weighs less than 10 pounds, so you can easily lift and store it. With a solid 4.4-star rating from 1,300 reviews, people are impressed with its performance. However, some users did mention that it can tip over when standing due to its lightweight design. But honestly, I think the ease of use and cleaning power really makes it worth it overall. This is perfect for you if you want a lightweight vacuum that can handle various surfaces effortlessly. Skip this one if you need something that stands firmly without tipping. Considering its technology, it's a fair price. Now, let's wrap things up and compare what we just covered. So to sum it up, the Shark ZU561 offers great pet hair pickup. The Shark AZ2002 excels in deep cleaning. The Oreck Commercial XL is lightweight yet powerful. The Hoover Max Life Pro is perfect for pet owners on a budget. And the Shark PowerDetect is fantastic for those who want maneuverability. Each has its strengths, so choose based on what fits your needs best.